Welcome to the JVA range of agricultural energizers. The JVA range of energizers in the agriculture market is designed in Australia but tested across the world in the harshest conditions of Africa, Australia, Europe and America. In the range, we start off with the small pet energizers that can also be used for strip grazing. We have our all-in-one integrated solar units with batteries incorporated with a solar panel, ranging up into our mid-range battery mains units, and then up to our high-powered, Wi-Fi enabled agricultural energizers. At the top end of the JVA Agriculture range, we have the MBXL range of energizers. These energizers can run either from mains, your 220 volt side, or from 12 volt battery, so you get either option in the box, both leads supplied. These energizers have three models. We have the 8 joule unit, which has 12 joules stored energy, the 12 joule unit, which has 18 joules stored energy, and at the top of the range, the 16 joule unit with 24 joules of energy. The joules is the amount of energy the energizer has, and this will determine how far the energizer can power. We have the recommended distances on the box. Personally, I would not use the 16 joule energizer for a fence much further than about 12 kilometers, the 12 joule for about a 10 kilometer fence, the 8 joule for an 8 kilometer long fence. The JVA Agric MBXL energizers are your ideal solution for large farms, ranches and game parks. These robust energizers have a high power terminal, a half power terminal for animals like horses, and then your earth terminal. We arm the energizer with a button. On the left hand side of the screen we see our output voltage on the fence, and to the right of it we see the stored energy. As the resistance on the fence will pick up, the energy of the unit will pick up as well. We have the status light that will flash twice slowly if there's a battery or power problem, and then we have the Energizer OK light that flashes green when the voltage on the fence is good. If the voltage was to drop below 3000 volts, this light would then flash red. But the industry leading factor of this Energizer is that it is Wi-Fi enabled. So if on site you have Wi-Fi, what we can do is control it anywhere in the world from your cell phone app. Looking at your app, you can see the signal strength, your Energizer that you're looking at, the fence voltage. Over here it's showing me 8000 volts, stored energy of the fence, and the input-output voltage. And you can switch it on and off from anywhere in the world. So if I were to switch it off, the unit will be able to switch off. And if I want to re-arm the Energizer, I can arm the Energizer. The JVA MBXL range, the ideal solution for your large farm electric fencing. Next in the agricultural range, we have the JVA MBX mid-range models. These energizers are ideal for smaller, medium-sized farms, ideal for strip grazing, usage with cattle, sheep, equestrian energizers. They can be permanent or for temporary use. The energizers start off with a 1.5 joule energizer, which has 2.3 joules stored. Next in the Energizer range is the MB3, which is 3 joules output, 4.2 joules stored. And then we have the MB4.5, which is 4.5 joules output and 7.3 joules stored on the fence. The Energizers are light, strong, robust, simple to operate, weatherproof, ideal for outdoor conditions. You have an arm button. The Energizer starts to tick. With each pulse, the Energizer OK light will flash. There's a fence OK light. It's red when the Energizer is operating. If the voltage on the fence drops and there's a problem in the Energizer, the light will go off. Terminals, strong and robust. You have a positive terminal and an earth terminal. The Energizer has mounting screws at the back that can be mounted permanently on a wall, or it can be mounted in a case for temporary usage. The JVA SVX Energizer is actually my favorite model of Energizer in our range. It's a solar unit with a built-in 7 amp hour battery and an LCD display. This makes the unit the ideal strip grazing unit because you can see the voltage on your fence, you can see the joules it's putting out, it's fully portable, a full power, half power and earth knob, and it comes in two models, the SV5 and the SV10. The SV5 is a half a joule unit output, and the SV10 is almost a full 1 joule output energizer. That's a lot of power to pack out of a small little energizer with a solar panel. The unit can be installed on a Y standard or a fence picket and knocked into the ground. Always remember to face your solar panel north. The Energizer has multiple features and is great for all forms of strip grazing, temporary fencing, equestrian fencing, anywhere where you need a fully portable unit, quick and easy to install. But for me, the winner here is the LCD display. So often you're in the field, you don't know if your Energizer is working or not, but by looking at that LCD display, you're able to quickly see the voltage and the joules on your fence. When I switch the Energizer on, there you can see it's pulsing, it's showing 7,600 volts out and 0.7 joules stored energy on the fence. Again, same robust terminals as our whole range, a nice robust handle, solar panel. It's a large solar panel, so this unit will work anywhere in the world. With limited sunlight hours, it still runs fine, 24 hours. Inside we have an easy to use 7 amp hour battery, and on the back you have your picket mounting bracket. As I said, a lovely Energizer, one of my favorite in the range. The SV2 is a great little portable unit. It's solar operated, has an internal battery, so it's ready to go straight out the box. Not a very powerful unit, just 0.1 of a joule, but this is perfect for short distance fences, portable fencing, strip grazing and pet fencing. The SV2 has a large solar panel, which means it's got a good charging circuit. It'll work 24/7, 365. The unit has a power switch, you switch it on, a pulse light, it pulses red when everything is good, strong robust terminals, your earth terminal and your positive terminal, solar panel you can hang it from, hold it from, plus on the back a nice picket mounting for your Y standard or picket. A lovely little unit, ready to go out the box. The JVA PET 100 is the baby of the JVA range of Energizers. It's a small Energizer designed to be for pets or for small temporary paddocks. Very portable. It can work off an external 12-volt battery or work off your 220-volt mains. Simple installation, and it can hook onto your fence. The Energizer can come with mains or battery supply. A little button to switch it on. You can see the pulse light pulsing. It comes supplied with leads to connect it to the fence. They just slip on at the base, and you can clip your earth and your live on. Alternately, it has a negative and positive supply at the back if you want to use a 12-volt supply, or a mains plug-in. For me, the PET 100 is a great little robust unit. It's affordable and the perfect solution for the small little fence.
For more information on our JVA products, feel free to visit our JVA webpage or visit any of our social media links.